Having a good business idea is a great thing, but the problem is in creating the time to manage it. But did you know that not all businesses require you to spend all your time on it? They are unique and are the right type of businesses for people with no plan to spend all of their days on the business. So, if you are one of the people who so much desire to own a business this 2022 but don't have enough time to run it, then you are in great luck. We have compiled the best small business ideas that will not take much of your time. Having a business or even starting one has several perks attached to it. You get to do what you want and when you want. You can also travel at any time of your choice, or increase your salary, or anything you want to do. Those are all interesting reasons to start a business, but not all businesses will give you the time and chance to do all that you want to do. That's why in this video, we have compiled a list of the best small business ideas that do not require much of your time. Not only that, they are very easy to start and do not or most times require very little technical expertise or upfront capital. Freelance writing. One of the most successful small businesses is being run and controlled by freelancers. This is because the majority of freelance businesses are easy to start and do not require much financial commitment. But freelance writing business is one of the ideas that tops the list of the easiest small business ideas that require less time. Especially now in 2022, anyone who has a grasp of the English language and can organize words can become a freelance writer. All they now need is just internet access and a smart device to access the internet with it. A pretty amazing business idea that you should consider. And unlike what people may think, you really do not need a degree in English language, literature, or journalism to begin your freelance writing business. These three can give you an edge over others, but you do not really need them. Also, freelance writing businesses are best for people who have experience or expertise in a particular field of interest. You can make it your business by writing about it and earning while doing it. Also, many people believe only a native English speaker can start a freelance writing business. The truth is, anyone can. It all depends on the client's choice and preferences. However, when you are good at what you do, then whether you are a native speaker of English or not will matter to no one. Hey, you don't only need expertise in a particular thing to own a freelance writing business. You can specialize in copywriting. It's a good business too, with very high demand. One good thing about it is it doesn't take much of your time. You write when you have work to write, and when you don't, well, you can do what you want. Blogging. People still wonder if it's possible to still make money with blogging today. It is easy to understand their worry as the most popular niches are already oversaturated, and starting one in it will not be so much of a great idea. Well, not as if it would not be a success. It could, but you have to come up with something very special and different. However, if you are looking for a business idea that would not consume much of your time, you should try blogging. But this time, don't go for popular niches. Go for niches that have very few competitions, and then do with them as you would for a niche with much competition. There's no proof that this would work, but it is bound to work. You can spare about 20 to 25 minutes of your day to prepare awesome, short, and straight-to-the-point content and earn your money when the time comes. Remember, blogging might be easy to start, but the earnings might come much later. You need a little dose of diligence and plenty of patience. They would definitely help. Just in case you didn't know, blogging is a very good small business idea that won't take up much of your time. It can be done by either stay-at-home parents or even students, most especially students. Online tutoring. Almost, if not all, students in college or high school have been exposed to online learning. Thanks to COVID-19, it made it very compulsory during the pandemic. Even to this date, online tutoring is a rave. It would surprise you the number of people who are willing to stay in the comfort of their home and learn virtually anything they want. But if you really want to succeed with your online tutoring business, they specialize in teaching the English language. Why? The global demand for the English language is on the high side, making it easier for any native speaker with a good internet connection to become an online English tutor. There are very few platforms you can use, and you can use as many as you can. The more, the merrier. You just need to prepare your lesson notes, have a good internet connection, and boom, you're good to go. There are several platforms you can use, but choose the ones that best meet your needs and can reach your potential clients. VipKid, Udemy, and Cambly are great platforms that make locating your future potential clients easier. Influencer marketing. One of the other small business ideas that wouldn't require much of your time is becoming an influencer and using that skill to go into marketing. Although it is a very easy business to start, you must first have been an influencer. And by influencer, we mean having a lot of active followers and engagement on your social media handles. It is one of the easiest kinds of business. You use your influence and help brands market their products to your audience and followers. And you earn from that. Most of the time, you literally don't have to do much work to create sales for the products. A simple picture with it would go a very long way. Remember, social media influencers are the demigods of the 21st century. Selling and building themes. Selling and building themes are great business ideas for those who know how to do them. And one good thing about them is that they are not difficult to make. If you make a manageable coding skill and can stand your ground in front-end development, then you have a powerful money-making skill already. All you have to do is utilize it to its fullest potential. Selling and building themes for websites or WordPress themes is a small business idea that would not take much of your time. This is because after building the themes, you can list them for sale on online platforms and watch your income flood in. Some great platforms for selling themes include ThemeForest and Get Bootstrap. Starting up a business can be very demanding. That's why it's recommended that you start with any of these, as they do not eat up much of your time. Till the next video, goodbye.